Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you set up just-in-time webinar in EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up just-in-time webinar in EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, doing mid-ticket or even high-ticket, using webinars, EverWebinar allows your clients to register for a webinar at a set time, but you can also turn on just in time so that way they feel like the webinar is just about to start so they can jump right in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn on just-in-time webinar, here on the left side, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. Go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to turn on just in time. So for example, this one right here, and just click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all these blue circles at the top, and just-in-time webinar is handled in the schedule. So click on the blue one that says schedules. All right, once you do that, off the right here, webinar schedules, click on the pencil. All right, once you do that, you can see the schedule you're currently running. So you can see this webinar runs every Friday at 8 p.m. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to look for this line right here, enable just-in-time option. You can see it's turned off right here. It's gray and white. You need to uncheck this till it's blue. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose when the next available session is going to happen. So every 15, 30, 45, or on the hour, or every 30 minutes or on the hour. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. That way they're not going to have to wait more than 15 minutes for the next webinar to start. Also in just in time, when they go to register, they're going to say, hey, we have another webinar starting up. But what if they're looking at your registration page at 3 in the morning? It's not likely that you're going to be running a webinar. So you can turn this on right here. So hide night schedules. So basically just in time is not going to work between these hours, right? So by default, it's going to be between 11 and 7 a.m. You can change that though. So let's say maybe we want to go ahead and do that from 9 o'clock until, say I'm not doing a 7 a.m. So we do 9 a.m. So that's really up to you. If your audience knows you're not getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning, you can go ahead and do what I do, 9 a.m. But if they have no idea what time you're normally getting up, then yeah, you can go ahead and run it from, I don't know, from 6 a.m. if you want. Just because there are some folks that are ready for a webinar first thing in the morning at 6 o'clock. Once you're done, go ahead and scroll to the top and click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on just-in-time webinar in your EverWebinar account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.